Alright, here on Junkin' Rides Garage today, we're doing a starter in this Pontiac G6 06. It's cranking real slow, battery's good, alternator's good. He's gonna do the work on it. I'm gonna record today. That's a jack, no jack stands, don't need none. You want a jack stand?
This will be alright, I think.
Some Maryland cars, actually pretty clean under here still. Been in Ohio for about 4 or 5 years, I think. There's the starter right there. It's one of them Duralast junk ones.
Never buy it.
What's this, the second one you put in here within less than 2 years?
Yep.
Same fucking one? Yep. So what we can do here. What size do you think that is? 14? I love them Duralast starters. Fucking Chinese. How much you pay for this thing?
It's like 2 something. 220. 240 or something.
Electric ratchet wrenches.
Yeah, I guess I had to take that out.
Everything just took off just now on brackets. You got, these are probably what, a 14 millimeter or 15, something like that. I don't tell. So this is a 15 millimeter. For the big bolts, there's 1, 2 of them, 3, total of 3, 2 smalls, 1 plastic bracket, 1 steel one. Like the Cadillacs have the studs underneath the intake. These ain't too bad. Little nut there. Where is it at? Little nut right there. Holding that. Let's see. There it is. She warm?
A little bit.
Alright. Here we go. We got it out.
Washer fell somewhere. Probably a sweater.
She's a greasy mess. AutoZone. Look how small these rolls are getting now. And these shops got on the shop towels. That's crazy. Yeah, we're here getting ready to get this starter. Yeah, AutoZone. Gotta love this place. Andrew. Greasy. They got all your little Christmas trees over here. 2 for $5. Chew this baby out. So they got it. This 70 Charger RT. Huh. O'Reilly's got the Mustang. I'd like to have that one. I'd like to buy that. Here's the new starter. Part number is right there.
I'll put that in the description.
Okay, go ahead and sign the pin pad.
Here's the new one. Just got back. Hopefully it doesn't go bad again. Putting the wiring harness back on now. Trying to get this thing put back in there. Probably about another 10 minutes or so should be done. Would I recommend a Duralast starter? Would you?
No.
No Duralast starter.
Never in 100 years.
But
Unless it's the only thing I have in the store in an emergency.
yeah, unless you really need it.
That way, if not, go buy one different brand.
I mean, especially
Cheaper. And just take it off and go about your day. And return it, get your money for it back. And I would suggest.
We put the brackets on, well, before he does, we're gonna make sure it's actually gonna crank over right. It's cranking over slow. That's why we changed it. Not the battery, done tested it. Nope, we're starter. There it is. Putting the brackets back on. Oh, there she is. Snug them up. Always go back through and snug them up. If you're all put back together.
Oh boy.
Do another fire up here. Make sure everything's still good, but I believe it will be. Needed quite a few tools, but a little bit of a process, but got it done. Check it out, see how it starts. There it is. Back on the road. Warranted starter. Good old Duralast brand. Everything. Yep. But this here will include the video for today. Drunken Rides Garage. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.